Becoming a new parent comes with many challenges. Take, for instance, it's the middle of the night and your baby's woken up again because they're hungry. On one hand, you can go get your baby while they're crying, take it to the kitchen, find a clean bottle, get your formula, get your distilled water, boil your water, put it in the water or the bottle warmer to get it to the right temperature, all the while your baby's still crying. This can take many minutes and you're exhausted. On the other hand, you can go get your baby out of the crib, sit in the rocking chair in the room, or take it back to your warm bed and bring it to your chest and nurse it, which takes minimal effort. The convenience of breastfeeding is just one of the many reasons that I consider breastfeeding to be a better option than formula feeding. Other reasons are the benefits to baby, to mom, and to your pocketbook. So for baby, there are many health factors contributed to breastfeeding. One of the main ones is their immune system. Breast milk gives your baby antibodies to fight any antigens, killing bacteria within the baby, allowing for them to be healthier. Other important factors are their improved nutrition, physical growth, and healthy brain development. This, along with the prevention of food allergies if they're breastfed exclusively up to 6 months before solids are introduced. Some statistics involved with breastfeeding for a baby's health include a lower risk of obesity up to 15 to 30%. Type 1 diabetes is reduced by 30%, and type 2 diabetes is reduced by 40%. Also, a decrease of sudden infant death syndrome is decreased by 36%. Also, breastfeeding is known to decrease many other chronic diseases. So, along with all the great benefits for their health, it's also extremely beneficial for their emotions. Doing skin-to-skin contact while breastfeeding promotes oxytocin for the mother to be released, allowing for baby's emotional state to be bonded with them. This means that in any situations where they're uncomfortable or insecure, going up to the mom allows them to have safety and security in situations where they otherwise wouldn't have been. Skin-to-skin contact and bonding with mother and baby isn't just beneficial for baby, it's also extremely beneficial for mom. Because when oxytocin is released, that's the love hormone. This love hormone allows for an extreme decrease in the risk of postpartum depression. It's also extremely beneficial for mom with their health because it decreases postpartum blood loss and blood hemorrhaging. And it also induces uterine contraction in the first few days of birth, allowing your contraction to go back to its normal size after giving birth. Mother is also much more aware of what they're eating because whatever they're eating, baby's eating. It goes into their breast milk. So it helps them burn calories better and it helps them have better choices for their diet. Along with the benefits for mom and baby, it also is extremely important to consider the aspects of your pocketbook. On average, in a year, over $1,500 is spent on formula for one baby. This is only one of the things. It doesn't consider the bottles, the warmers, the cleaners, the distilled water, and all the different size nipples that you need for the sizes of baby's age. So you're saving money that could go to other things for the baby. Also, because the immune system is increased, you're saving money on doctor visits, well visits, walk-in clinics, hospitals, because they're not getting so sick. So, considering the money that's being saved is definitely a benefit for breastfeeding. Just to recap, I've talked about the benefits for baby, both with their health and emotionally, the benefits for mom emotionally and for her health, and the benefits for your pocketbook. These are the reasons I believe breastfeeding is a better option than formula feeding.